Chili Verde, come on. So yeah, Chili Verde. This one is one of my favorites. Again, props to my mother-in-law for teaching me how to do this. I do believe that hers is the best ever. Can't give anybody credit for the shirt today other than whoever invented Hawaiian shirts. They think black makes you look thinner. The proper Hawaiian shirt actually makes you look thinner. So if you feel you're getting a little chubby, go get yourself some Hawaiian shirts. You look good, man. At least I think I do, and you might think you do too. Let's do some Chili Verde. So there you go. What I feel is the best Chili Verde recipe ever. It's the best I've had at people's homes or at restaurants, so I stick with this. Grab yourself a tortilla, maybe some rice, some beans, some fideo. I'm gonna do some fideo underneath it. Roll yourself up into a burrito. And enjoy. I try not to speak with my mouth full, but I don't want to take any more of your time. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, give the video a like, and share it with all your friends. Come back and see us. Again, thanks for watching. You guys have a good night.